There's a little pond on the right, up a little ways, and we call it the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang Pond, like where she,
Truly scrumptious.
Truly Scrumptious drives her. This is very exciting. I'm going to show you something. Right here is our new tiny home retreat that we get to make into our space. This is so exciting. Today we're here to clean it up and just kind of get a sense of the space so that like in a month we can stay here when our friends are here. And yeah, this is it. This is our new little project. So today we have Mike's here with me and our friend Katrina, and we're gonna be cleaning. So I'm just gonna show you this to begin. This guy built this, and he kind of comes here to this place infrequently, and he doesn't really have time to work on it. So the owners of the property have given us permission to basically do whatever we want. And so we are going to do this baby up. Ooh, special. But there's like, it's got good bones, you know. And here comes Katrina and Mike and Fargo.
So awesome.
It's the cleaning crew.
Oh, I love this little house.
I know, it's so cute, right?
We're gonna make it amazing.
We are. Welcome to our tiny home retreat.
Aww.
We have to name it. Fargo, are you so excited, buddy? Shangri-La. So this like extends the season so much. I mean, look at this. Check this out. We just get to stare at this. It's like a screensaver. Buddy. Buddy. Oh, it's so exciting. And we have this little path. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do to this wood is I'm going to treat it with this stuff. It's called Penofin Penetrating Oil Finish. This is clear. It's basically just gonna protect the wood from rotting more. It also like keeps out little critters and stuff. It's a little bit of a defense against things. So we're gonna start working on that. Up and around. We have 1 gallon to use today, so we might have to come back next time and work on it a little bit more, but this is really effective. We're also gonna do it on the deck below once it's cleaned up and we're ready to rock and roll on that one. It's just good. It's good stuff for the wood. Nice. That's great. Great. That's for our music. Lovely. Oh, it's already looking great.
Yeah.
It's like what 2 seconds can do. Wow. Wow, check that
I mean, we're killing this thing, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, it just moved. It just like flew.
Honey, get me my gun.
I'll get it.
Like a sawzall or something? Will that work?
Yeah.
It's right here. I'm just gonna shoot through the glass.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's okay. Oh, you almost have it. It's off.
He's right on the back.
Okay.
Oh my, this is a very exciting episode.
Yeah.
I mean, that might not be the only thing in here.
Yeah. Well, as we're.
Woo! Ew! Don't get too wild.
I like take down the whole tree.
Yeah.
When it comes to projects like this, there's really no greater feeling than creating a canvas for yourself to work from. This gives you the ability to create lists of items that you need to move forward, gets you to be able to see what you're working with. And as you can see, we clearly got it there for the moment.
We have had such a fun day starting this project and getting it going. I didn't get this side done with the Penofin, but it's already looking so great on the other side. I'm gonna walk over here. All right, check that out. It's really beautiful. I think this might be cedar, and it's just really, really, really glowing now that we've put the Penofin on it. So in worlds of work to do, next time I want to bring up some paint and paint. I want to paint right up here, that, and all of that plywood. I want to paint that, and I want to work on just kind of like really, really getting the exterior going. We have some furniture at the house that we can put on this deck, and we can also bring some plants down. I've been propagating some plants, not knowing it was going to be for this, but we can bring them down and they would probably be just fine. So stoked, so stoked. We are just very excited. So now we're gonna go for a swim.
Maybe this could go without mentioning, but this is not where we swim. That will be coming in part 2. We'll give you a little bit more of a tour around the property. But this is just a little preview of some of the spaces.
Fargo, what do you think of the new cabin?
One of the things about this project is that we don't particularly have a budget for it. So I'm basically pulling from our collection of items at our home and reusing things as the decor and otherwise. Our budget is basically for the exterior paint and the treatment on the wood and maybe a couple of other small items. But otherwise, we're doing this on a budget. It's just the only reasonable way that we could go about this. The exterior paint color we chose is Country Redwood by Benjamin Moore. It's a very warm and inviting red and closely resembles some of the trim that is painted on other buildings on the property. So it really kept with a little bit of that continuity. The owners really liked this color as well. And in the interior, it's a slightly different color that we had previously mixed for another project but didn't end up using fully. So we had that, but it really warmed up those interior colors great.
Yeah, that one piece of wood just kind of crumbled underneath me.
Hi, like and subscribe. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to work we
One
go.
of these steps is like giving away. That's soft.
Okay, and that's gonna go like as close to this.
It's that one. It is. It's a little bit different color. Yeah. You say decor, I say galore.
I was thinking Zhuzh Army.
Zhuzh Army. Yeah.
He's away. Zhuzh Army.
Sleep tight.
Oh my god. Look at all those pillows, buddy.
Well, that pretty much sums up the first part of this 2-part series. I'll be sharing so much more with you about the finishing touches on the space, increasing the functionality of it for us when we're down there. Just so many really fun details that we're going to be completing in this. And special shout out to the Zhuzh Army for all of the laughs and the help getting everything down there. We're so grateful for you for helping us and making that a really fun process. You know, friends make everything so much better. This is like one of my favorite videos I've made so far, so I'm really excited about it. And if you have any questions about the cabin or anything else, I'll be answering a few of those in the part 2 of this video coming out in just a couple of weeks. We're actually heading down there very soon to complete all of these projects. Take care. We'll see you so soon. Thanks for watching.